Okay. Do you remember last week we mentioned the scale and the standard scalar is a little bit different here. This slide is very important. Scale is a matter, is a function, but standard scalar is a class. Okay. Hello, would you please pay attention to me? And how to use it. This is the demonstration. If we use the scale, only scale, it means only one attribute, You can directly make the data scale to make it as a parameters as a function, right? But standard scalar have to be use the fit. Standard scalar, we will use the fit. It's different because standard scalar is a class. 就是 standard scalar 呢，它是一个物件类别，它必须要用 fit。但是 scale 是一个 function 可以直接包。So what is the difference here? If we use the standard scalar here, right? It have to be use the fit and transform. Fit and transform. Yeah. And at least 至少 have to be 2 attributes. We can use the standard scalar. But now we just only have to convert P class. So we cannot use the standard scalar. We just can use the scale. Scale is a function. Do not use the fit directly as a function. So make it as a parameter. The attribute you want to transfer as a parameter, put like this, and replace the original P class. Then the result will be here. Yeah. I will speak in Chinese. 刚刚我们讲的那个 standard scalar 是一个物件，好，所以呢，而且它要求一定要2个 attribute， 所以它 fit 之后再 transfer 使用。那我们现在呢 ，P class 呢是一个 attribute。One attribute， 所以我们 cannot use the standard scalar， 我们只能用 scale。But scale 是一个 function， 它不用用 fit， 它直接把你要转的放到它这个 function as a parameter， 像一个参数一样，这样就可以使用了，行吗 ？This is the differences between these two cases. I want you to know. And finally, we will make it as a CSV file. So finally, remember. As a CSV file. So please convert Titanic TI. Okay, and make data frame to CSV. This is your school number dash TI means Titanic CSV. Okay, go. Then we will have the Titanic TI CSV file as here and use Excel. Then we will see the result. This is the things we after the data preprocessing. Okay. So this is your assignment. I want you to upload those parts. CSV file and final result. Final result, I want you to double click. This is the final result and have your name. This is homework 4. The date will be 24. Please revise and we print the screen. Simon. Okay. And the other part, it just passed. Okay, we insert the result. Yeah, please cover this part. Yeah. So this Word file for metadata, and this is for the result. And finally, upload your CSV file. So back to here. What I want you to do for homework. So the homework will move to this week, 24. Please provide the Word file of today's assignment in the class, mixing value preprocessing, standard scalar, standard scalar. Okay, and the CSV file. No, I don't want the PY file. I want the CSV file. CSV file. Dash TI.CSV. Okay. So I want to give you a demonstration. Just my part. Assignment 4.新增让你做参考。The references for you. Assignment 4. Assignment 4. Assignment 4.这里。Okay, then we will move to the chapter 3. It's very important for today's part. Oh, this is also have an assignment. I think you have to do by yourself. 这里有一个。Okay. Okay, this is for yourself, okay? This data set have this is only for yourself, totally by yourself, okay? But this time I want you to replace just like L, M, H, okay? Titanic. I think you know how to do that, right? But this I want your file code. So one is for my demonstration, one is for you. Okay. 刚刚我示范一个，这个换你自己做啊。This is for you, for yourself. 好，这个日期 next week 一样，30号结束，因为考试是31，所以我30号结束。这个自己做的就1%哈 ，publish. Okay, now we will do the next part. 这个我可以讲说 demo by professor. This is by yourself. Then we will do the next part. Next part, we will introduce the decision tree. Okay, decision tree. Because it's a different paragraph, so I stop here and re-record it again.